Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wandering Heart deck by Reyna Biddy, illustrated by Muri Ribeiro. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, I do apologize if I am not. Published by McMeel Publishing, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And of course, everywhere that you can purchase this, I will link in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Your journey into clarity and truth starts here. Best-selling poet, speaker of hard truths, and advocate of self-love, Reyna Biddy welcomes you on a spiritual journey out of your comfort zone and into your inner wisdom with her intentionally designed 40-card deck and guidebook, The Wandering Heart deck. In conjunction with captivating, inclusive illustrations by Brazilian artist Muri Ribeiro on themes of self-reflection, necessary growth, and ancestral connection, Reyna's gentle and poetic voice makes it beautiful and easy to tap into who you are, who you have been, and who you want to be. Reyna Biddy is a spoken word poet, author, and self-love enthusiast based in Los Angeles, California. Diving into her work will have you questioning whether you are due for more healing. All right. There's the inside. We have a guidebook and the 40 cards. And let's take a peek real fast here at the guidebook to see what we got to look into. Information. Positive or negative, good or bad, you decide. All right, so you can, decide whether you want to read both upright and reversed, or just upright. We've got spreads, the single, and we have potential questions. I love that. And then the 2-card draw and potential spreads for that as well. And then it goes into the cards and their meanings. We'll dive deeper into that later. But let's get into the flip through here. These are a nice wide size of an oracle card. Matte, flexible, snapping back. They're more on the medium thickness side, so that's really cool. 40 cards, I think that'll shuffle really nice. We do have borders and the number up top, keyword at the bottom. I like that. It is really big and nice to read because my eyesight is poor. All righty. Love that. Interesting take. I love that. Okay. Wow. It is very easy to read. I'm getting a lot of intuitive hits off of it already. I can see how this could be used for deeper insight, especially depending on the answers, or excuse me, the questions that you ask it. Focus, there we go. That vitiligo? This is the second deck that I have seen vitiligo in, and I am really amazed by that, and I find that awesome. Ooh. Fun. Oh. Aw. The tattoo. Love. That's a neat representation. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a crack on the wall there. Oh. Oh, wow. Was not expecting some of these cards to come up. Love that. Oh. This really packs a punch, doesn't it? Oh my. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Definitely snaps back. Easier for my hands doing the side to side with this size of deck. And let's see, overhand. Yeah, not bad overhand either. Okay, ooh, we're gonna read for source. But yeah, no, that feels really good. So we have a printout of the card. You are the source of your own magic. And then over here we have 2 keywords with intuition and acceptance. As time progresses, you move forward into a familiar space of light. You've grown tired of the games and the chase. You've matured almost as if overnight. Your heart is grounded in enduring energy. You no longer give yourself credit for the actions you take. You suppose the human experience will run its course, however spirit sees fit. You confide in a higher power to direct the path you walk, with high hopes of peaceful days in the near future, taking everything day by day. You're in no sudden urgency to get anywhere specific. The quest alone is gratifying. So upright. You are more connected to your guides now than you have ever been. You are familiar with living a life of endless wonders. You have released your value of control. Your demeanor has evolved from tense to nonchalant. You believe that whatever will be, as long as you stay humble, receptive, and trusting in the instinct of divine timing. And reversed. You are unable to let go of your worries and fears. In certain ways, they cripple you. Your mind is racing. There is a disconnect. You are attempting to use discernment without having to dive inward. This is not the way. Now is a time to sit still, listen to your heart, reaffirm your self-worth, and keep your spirits uplifted. How else can you hear? Wow. Okay. So I surprisingly feel really connected to this. I feel like it was done really well as far as the art being in a way reactionary. Like it does the justice of her having to tell you hard truths in the art itself, as well as being gentle enough to know that, like, well, yes, this is what you need to hear. There's also comfort in hearing this. Like, now you have the information to help move you forward. And honestly, it's beautifully done as far as the art goes. I really love the keywords. I love that you can use this deck to help you heal, help you grow, help you look inward. This can be used for meditation, for journaling. This could be used in association with your tarot. There's a lot of options here with this type of deck, but it is definitely a deck that you can use predominantly to help you kind of heal and move forward, as well as in a way kind of look at, your own inner shadows as well. So I'm really, I'm surprised at how well I connected with it at first. It was a little, I don't want to say jarring, but that's kind of my reaction to some of the cards in here, only because I wasn't expecting them. And now that they're here, it makes sense with the completion of going through the deck. And I do think that this could help a lot of us kind of work through some situations and work through some feelings and kind of help guide us to the next best thing or the next step. So with that, I would love to know your thoughts on this deck. Is this something that you already have? I know this has been out for quite some time. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you've never heard of before? Are you intrigued? Are you kind of like, not for me? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done it already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.